Good morning students. Today we will discuss about remaining problems in exercise 1.4. So 9th and 10th problems are remaining. Those problems we have to discuss now. 9th one. Simplify fourth root 81 minus 8 into cubed root 343 plus 15 into fifth root 32 plus root 225. So this one you have to simplify. So we know that nth root a for this third, exponential form of this third is a power 1 by n. So by using this exponential form, we can simplify all these now. Now, what is the problem we have? Fourth root 81 minus 8 into cubed root 343 plus 15 into fifth root 32 plus root 225. So fourth root 81 you can write 81 power 1 by 4 minus 8 into 343 power 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32 power 1 by 5 plus 225. Square root of 225 means you can write 225 whole power 1 by 2. Now we have to write prime factorization of all this. So 81 you can write prime factorization as 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. So 81 you can write factorization like this: 3 27s, 3 9s, 3 3s. So in this way you can write 81 as 3 power 4 minus 8 into 343 you can write it is divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are. So this you can write 7 cube whole power 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32 you can write 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5 plus 225 you can write 15 square whole power 1 by 2. So 32, prime factorization of 32 is 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Like this you can write 2 power 5. So we know that a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So by using this law of identity, you can simplify this. 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 3 power 4 into 1 by 4 minus 8 into 7 power 3 into 1 by 2 plus 15 into 2 power 5 into 1 by 5 plus 15 into 15 power 2 into 1 by 2. So 4 4 gets cancelled, you will get 3 minus 8 into 3 3 gets cancelled, 7 plus 15 into 5 5 gets cancelled, 2 plus 15 power 2 2 gets cancelled, 15 power 1 50. So 3 minus 7 8s are 56 plus 15 2s are 30 plus 15. Now when you are adding the positives, plus 30 plus 15 plus 3, 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 3, 48 minus 56. Among these two, which is greater? 56 is greater. You have to write greater sign. Then you have to subtract 56 minus 48. 8 you will get. So 48 minus 56 is 8. So in this way you can simplify this problem. So using this nth root a, you can write exponential form like this. By using this law, you can simplify this. After that, you have to prime factorize all these values. Then by using this a power m whole power n equal to a power mn, you can simplify this. Then you will get the answer. So in this way, you can do 9th problem. And one, if a and b are real numbers, find the value of a and b in each of the following equations. First one, 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 6. First you have to simplify this irrational number in the form of a plus b root 6. After that you have to find the values of a and b, where a and b are rational numbers. So to rationalize this one, root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2, rationalizing factor of this denominator root 3 minus root 2 equal to, what is the rationalizing factor of root a plus root b? Root a minus root b. For root a minus root b, rationalizing factor is root a plus root b. So root 3 plus root 2. Now you have to rationalize the denominator by using rationalizing factor. Now root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 equal to root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Sorry, root 3 minus root 2 into, for this rationalizing factor is root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Now when you observe the numerators, root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. So what is a into a square. So root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2 whole square. By denominator, root a minus root b into root a plus root b. What is the formula we have? Root a plus root b into root a minus root b equal to a minus b. So what is a? 3 minus 2. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square, or root a plus root b whole square. A plus b plus 2 root a. What is the identity we are using here? Root a plus root b whole square equal to a plus b plus 2 root a. So using this identity, we are expanding this one. Denominator is 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So any number divided by 1, you will get same number. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2 root 6. So 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. But what is given there? So given 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 6. But when you rationalizing the denominator and simplifying this irrational number, we are getting the value of root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6. So in place of this, if you are writing that value, 5 plus 2 root 6 equal to a plus b root 6. Comparing both sides. Comparing both sides. So what is the rational number here? A. Here what is the rational number? 5. So a equal to 5. Next to b. In place of b, what is there here? Here root 6 common. In place of b, 2 is there. So b equal to 2. Now in this way, you can find the values of a and b, where a and b are rational numbers. First we have to rationalize the denominator. Here the denominator is root 3 minus root 2. For this rationalizing factor is root 3 plus root 2. So multiplying and dividing with rationalizing factor, you will get this value as 5 plus 2 root 6. This value equal to, they give a plus b root 6. When these two will be equal? If a equal to 5 and b equal to 2, then only these two will be equal. That's why a value equal to 5, b value equal to 2. So in this way you can do this problem. Root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 equal to a minus b root 15. So here root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. So to find this value, this is the irrational number. To find this, first you have to rationalize the denominator. What is the rationalizing factor of denominator? 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Rationalizing factor is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 equal to 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Now we have to rationalize the denominator. Root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 equal to root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Now multiplying the numerators. Root 5 plus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. We know that a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So using this notation, we can write using this identity 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. Now in the numerator, you have to multiply two binomials, product of two binomials. First binomial, first term you have to multiply with these two, second term you have to multiply with these two. Now root 5 into 2 root 5. 2 root 5 into root 5, you will get 5. 2 into 5 plus root 5 into 3 root 3. 3 root 5 into root 3, root 15. Next plus 2 into root 3 into root 5, root 15, plus into plus plus 3 root 3 into root 3, you will get 3 by 2 root 5 whole square. 2 square is 4, root 5 whole square is 5, 4 5s are 20 minus 3 square 9, root 3 whole square is 3, 9 3 is 27. Now this becomes 2 5s are 10 plus 3 3s are 9. 10 plus 9, 19 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. So root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 equal to 19 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. So when you divide these two terms with minus 7, what you will get? Minus 19 by 7 minus 5 root 15 by 7. So they gave this value as given root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. This value they gave as a minus b root 15 equal to a minus b root 15. Now this value what you are getting here? Minus 19 by 7 minus, here up to here if we write this one as a rational number 5 by 7 into root 15 equal to a minus b root 15. Now comparing these two values on both sides. Comparing both sides, a value is minus 19 by 7, b value is here minus minus common, root 15 common, so b value is 5 by 7. So b equal to 5 by 7. So in this way we can do this problem. So first you have to rationalize, or you have to write the rationalizing factor of denominator. With the rationalizing factor, both numerator and denominator you have to multiply. After that, after simplifying this, you will get this value as minus 19 by 7 minus 5 root 15 by 7. Now comparing this value with a minus b root 15, you will get a value as minus 19 by 7 and b value as 5 by 7. So this is about second problem in 10th Roman. So up to this chapter is completed. So if you have any doubts, you can ask through this If you have any doubts, you can ask me about this chapter real numbers. In the next session, we will start second chapter, which is polynomials and factorization. Okay, thank you.